Hello everyone, this is Jasper from ConeMac. In this video, I will introduce Cummins QSK60 series industrial engine. Cummins QSK60 series industrial engine is a V16 engine with 60.2 liter displacement. The overall dimensions of Cummins QSK60 series industrial engine is 3,357 mm by 1,730 mm by 2,420 mm, and the net weight is 7,990 kg. Cummins QSK60 series industrial engine comes with Cummins HPI fuel system and equipped with turbocharger and low temperature aftercooler. The emission standard can reach up to US EPA Tier IV. The power range covers from 1,668 kW to 1,864 kW, with rated speed from 1,800 rpm to 1,900 rpm. The standard Cummins QSK60 series industrial engine comes with following accessories: fuel pump, flywheel housing, fuel filter, oil filter, turbocharger, air compressor, based on standard Cummins construction engine, ConeMac provides abundant optional items, mainly including cooling system, engine control panel, air filter, muffler, PTO, transfer case, and other customized accessories. With a professional and experienced engineering team, ConeMac also provides customized modification services for all of our customers, such as oil pan type, fan position, fan type, dipstick position, flywheel and flywheel housing size extra. We can also provide explosion-proof modification for oil and gas industry, and we have capability to satisfy most of our customized requirements on our engine and engine power pack.
Committed to providing reliable premium power system for global construction machinery manufacturer, ConeMac is a sub-brand of the EMAC Group that focuses on construction machinery application based on dozens of world-class renowned diesel engine manufacturing resources in China, as well as relevant construction machinery transmission and hydraulic supporting component suppliers. ConeMac provides one-stop solutions from pre-design to component supply, from installation to commissioning, from pre-sales communication to after-sales service support. ConeMac's products range are Caterpillar, Cummins, Dutz, CAMC, Weichai, and other well-known brands of construction machinery engines, related accessories, and complete power pack. Our products are widely used in mining, metallurgy, loading and unloading, airport, forklift, oil and gas, etc.
A promise is a promise. EMAC continuously upgrade our product's design and quality standard.
We will continuously improving our products' quality and service standard to meet the satisfactions for customers from all over the world. Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact ConeMac at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.conemac.cm.